Let's be honest, we've all been there. You're staring at a blank character sheet, and all that dreaded backstory section is just staring back at you, completely empty. You have this cool idea for a rogue with a dark, mysterious past, but you're terrified of falling into the same old tropes. My parents were killed by bandits, or I grew up an orphan on the streets. But what if I told you there are six layered secrets that can turn that generic rogue into a hero your table talks about for years? Today, we're going to weave a history of tragedy and crime into your character, building a hero driven by powerful need for redemption that will have everyone hanging on your every word. So picture this, we're building a charismatic rogue who uses their charm like a shield. On the outside, they're a brilliant liar and a master of infiltration, but on the inside, they're haunted by a past they just can't outrun. Their goal might seem like getting rich or getting revenge, but what they truly need is to find forgiveness for a past failure that cost someone everything. That clash is what makes a character unforgettable. First things first, your hero wasn't just an orphan, they were made one by a very specific injustice. Imagine they watched their younger sibling die in a tenement collapse. But it wasn't a random accident. This building was sabotaged by a greedy lord trying to clear the land for his new manor. This creates a specific playable flaw, a reckless hatred for the nobility. And this isn't just backstory fluff. It's a trigger that can complicate any social encounter and gives your DM an instant conflict to play with. After the tragedy, your rogue didn't just scrape by on the streets. They went undercover to get closer to the system that let them down. They took down the identity of a noble long lost bastard's child. This is where they learned etiquette, forgery, and the art of deception. So now they can walk the walk and talk the talk of a noble, but inside they're still that gutter rat. This is the perfect justification for high deception skill and disguise skill proficiency. Plus, it adds a constant threat. What happened when the real family or rivals who know the truth show up? To really sharpen their skill, your character joined a thieves guild, but it led to an impossible choice. During a big heist, they sold out their crew to save their own skin, which led to the crew's capture and execution. Talk about a deep moral wound. This creates a powerful internal conflict that might show up as paranoia or hesitation to trust their new adventuring party. Their ideal could be something like loyalty is a luxury I cannot afford, which is a fantastic hook for a party drama and eventually some incredible character growth. What's the deepest secret you've ever given one of your characters? Share it in the comments below. I love to see what wild ideas you all have. Your rogue carries a memento of their lost sibling, maybe an enhanced dagger. Mechanically, perhaps it deals a little extra poison damage, but here's a twist, it's cursed. It whispers accusations in their ear at night, forcing wisdom saves to fight off exhaustion. Your character thinks it's their sibling spirit, but the truth is way darker. The dagger was planted by their old guild to keep them on the leash. Suddenly, a simple magic item becomes a huge personal quest hook for your DM. After betraying their crew, your rogue was desperate and all alone. In the darkest moment, they stumbled into a pact with a fate trickster, trading future favors for new shadow touched abilities. This is a fantastic way to flavor their cunning action or even our arcane trickster subclass. These flavors might start small, like stealing a song from a bard, or souring a lord's wine. But they'll escalate, forcing your hero into moral dilemmas that clash with their slowly growing conscience and adding a wild supernatural element to their criminal past. Alright, here's the final twist that changes everything. That accident that killed their sibling, it was staged for a reason. It turns out your character is the illegitimate child of the very same greedy lord hidden away to prevent the scandal. Their entire foundation of their rage, the driving force of their life, is a lie. Confronting this truth leads to the ultimate choice. Do they kill the man who is both their greatest enemy and their father? Or do they accept a twisted birthright? This reveal could shift their entire alignment and will absolutely solidify their bond with the party who helped them uncover the truth. Why does this recipe work so well? Because these secrets build a character with real, tangible layers of conflict. You've got the external struggle against the noble and the guild, and an internal battle with guilt and identity. Each secret is more than just a story bit. It's a playable element tied directly to skills, items, and role playing hooks. Your DM can help you reveal these secrets over time, ensuring your character evolves through action, not just exposition. So stop staring at a blank page. By weaving together these layered secrets of injustice, betrayal, and a twisted heritage, you're creating more than just a character. You're creating a journey. You're building a hero who isn't just looking for treasure, but for redemption. A hero your table will never forget. If you enjoy these tips, be sure to subscribe for more content on bringing your D&D character to life. Now, go build someone unforgettable.